Hello, my name is David, and I am going to attempt the monkey pose, and I'm going to reattempt the 8-angle pose because I wasn't happy with the last attempt that I made. And there's one more pose which I don't know the name of just yet. Please bear in mind I'm just a beginner, so don't be too nasty on the comments, please. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to attempt is the monkey pose. I know the sofa and the chair is blanking out the full pose, so I'll try it forward. I don't know the name of this pose, but I think we'll be better moving to here. So here goes. Gotta keep my balance. And finally, I'm going to reattempt the 8-angle pose. Oh, here goes. Thank you for watching. I hope I did okay. Any feedback would be welcome. Thank you. Bye.